Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to set up a free VPN on Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select network and internet. On right side select VPN. Select the add VPN option and VPN provider select Windows built-in and connection name type VPN any name you want. You can type it in server name or address. You just need to open up Chrome or any other browser and search gateway VPN. Press enter. Select the first link. You just need to scroll down. Here you can able to see username and password, and you just need to scroll down. For example, I'm gonna connect to Romania. So if you want to connect this any one of these servers, then you just need to copy this host name, guys. Just copy this host name next to the server, and after copying it, go to settings, server name, paste it, and in VPN type, set this to SSTP, Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol. Type of sign in info, username and password. Check mark this, remember my sign in info. In username and password, I already said that the username and password listed up here. VPN and password VPN, not caps, small letter VPN. After typing it, select the save option, and now we created this VPN. Select the connect option, and now we are connected to the VPN, guys. As you can see over here, the key symbol over here. If you want to remove this VPN we created, then you will just need to disconnect the VPN first, and click on this drop down and select the remove option to remove this VPN, guys. And you can easily use this VPN. Click on this network Wi-Fi icon and click on this VPN, and you can connect from here, guys, easily. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.